Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will share a few very useful home maintenance tips and hacks which can help you keep your home well maintained and clean. There are many areas and things all around the house which are difficult to clean and maintain. These tips will definitely come handy. Let's get started. While mopping, hair strands and dust residues may stick to the mop. Usually we keep removing them and put them back in the water, which again gets stuck as we dip the mop in the same water. Hang a bath mug on the side edge of the mop bucket and keep throwing in it whatever comes in between your cleaning. Hair strands and dust will get out of your cleaning cycle for efficient cleaning. Over a time, mop pads turn black and look really bad. To keep your mop pads always clean, add a cap of Vanish in the mopping bucket while making a solution for mopping along with any of your favorite floor cleaner. This solution should keep both the floor and mop pad clean and stain free. With this hack, even after months, my mop pad stays clean. White walls can be challenging to maintain, especially with kids around. To clean permanent marker marks, all you need is thinner, which is easily available from the hardware shop. Just take a piece of cloth or paper napkin and pour some thinner on it. Now rub this cloth on the stains. They will vanish like magic. Beautifully cleaned in no time. A word of caution. Thinner can be flammable and small children must not handle it. Command hooks remove the need to nail or drill for paintings, frames and decor items. They also provide the liberty to keep changing the decor as per season and festivals. But when we try to remove them, sometimes they don't come out clean. And if we apply pressure, many times the wall paint also peels off with them. It has happened to me as well many times in the past. To remove them seamlessly, we need dental floss. Take a small piece, slowly insert like this and start moving upwards. The hook will come off either with the strip or without. Now just pull the strip. The hook is removed without peeling the paint. Sometimes while playing, kids paste the sticker on the floor, which later becomes a challenge to remove. Just spray WD-40 on it and leave for 10 minutes. Now with the help of a scrubber, scrub a bit and it will get cleaned easily. Similarly, removing labels from the bottles and jars can be difficult and time-consuming task. Even if the sticker is removed, the stickiness of the glue is hard to clean. Just spray WD-40 on the sticky area and leave it for 5 minutes. Now scrub it using dish liquid and see the bottle is spotlessly clean. If you have a glass partition in your bathroom, then you must be aware about the challenge to keep it clean. Hard water and soap marks are difficult to clean, but not anymore. This is elbow grease power paste which needs to be applied on the stains. Leave it for 5 minutes and then with the help of a wet scrub pad, scrub the area gently. Wash it with regular water and wipe. I hope you can easily see the difference. The paste is really effective. Keeping the gas cylinder directly on the floor can stain it with rust marks. An easy solution is to always keep the cylinder on the wheel stand. This also aids in easy movement during replacements. And just in case if the floor is already got the rust marks, apply this elbow grease power paste on the affected area and leave it for 10 minutes. Scrub the area using the scrub pad. Marks have faded and almost gone. Apply this paste a few more times and stains should disappear. Last but not the least, if any door of your house makes a squeaky sound due to rusted hinges like this, spray some WD-40 on the hinges and screws. This spray works like lubricant for the hinges and makes them smooth, which prevents making them squeaky sound. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.